SB19 surprises fans at the Simula at Wakas experience. This is it, the surprise that SB19 has been talking about. Na-spoil pa ito ni Pablo sa The Zone, buti na lang at hindi niya na-specify ang oras. At heto nga, they have surprisingly arrived at the Simula at Wakas experience at the 1 PM time slot.